In today's digital age, a well-crafted marketing strategy is essential for promoting your products or services effectively. Just like any successful venture, a plan is crucial. In this presentation, we'll explore the key questions to help you build your unique digital marketing roadmap. Let's get started. The first step is analyzing your organization's context and stakeholders, which involves identifying your organization and its product value for the audience. It is important to determine your target customers and how you can fulfill their needs and desires, while also evaluating your competitors, including abstract factors like time and mindshare. Next, examine your unique value proposition to identify what sets your brand apart in the digital landscape. Consider the additional value you provide to customers beyond the basic product or service, and conduct thorough research on your target audience to gain insights into their wants and needs. Utilize the SMART criteria to set objectives that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Clearly define your goals and establish measurable metrics to gauge success. Following the SMART criteria will lead to well-defined and goal-aligned objectives. Select the appropriate digital tools and tactics to achieve your goals, such as SEO, search ads, email marketing, and social media. Regularly assess and refine your strategies to ensure you stay on course and achieve optimal results. Stay flexible and agile in your approach. Embrace change and continuously adapt to new technologies and customer behaviors. Be original and meaningful in your interactions with customers. In summary, to craft an effective digital marketing strategy, start by analyzing your organization's context, stakeholders, target audience, and competitors. Identify your unique value proposition and gain a deep understanding of your audience's wants and needs. Set SMART objectives to measure success, and choose the most suitable digital tactics and tools aligned with your goals. Lastly, ensure continuous adaptation and optimization to remain relevant and meaningful to your customers. For more insights and strategies, stay tuned and don't forget to visit our website. See you next time.